Hey, what's up, GabaQ fam? I have got a new product to review here. This is the JoChef Superior RX Refillable Butane Torch. I gotta be honest, I've never used a torch, but if you've watched some of my content, you know that I love the sous vide. Now, I have sous vide 2 of these ribeye caps. These are such tender, flavorful, moist steaks, but look at how gray and dull they are. Normally, I would take them out and reverse sear them either over a raging hot fire or in a cast iron pan. Well, with the JoChef refillable butane torch, check this thing out. First of all, it's just beautiful design. It's like so well built. Shows you how much butane you have in it. Filling with butane was super easy. Flip it upside down. There's a little cartridge. You put it in. Could not have been easier. There's a lockout on it. You just unlock it. Turn on the gas, lights every time, which is amazing. You can make this thing as powerful or as not as you want. And so I got it turned on, I got it dialed in. Let's sear some steaks here. So what I love about this torch is I can come in nice and tight. I can get it as hot as I want it. Look at the color I'm getting on these steaks now. I didn't have to get my kitchen all smoky. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that browning. Building a beautiful crust on this thing. And I have put nothing on this. No oil, nothing. That is a gorgeous sear. I'll just take it around, get the sear that I want on these beautiful petite ribeye caps. And what's nice about it versus like a grill, you can see it while you're doing it, and you can get the sear exactly where you want it to be. Look at that. These are cooked. I cooked them to all the way up to a perfect rare there, medium rare. Took them up to like 126. But look at that sear. Absolutely stunning. Move over to the next one. It's so easy to do, and it's pretty forgiving. Like, this is literally my first time ever doing it. But look at the color. Look at the color I can get and how quickly I can get it on this steak. And I'm not even worried about burning it. Just keep moving it back and forth. This is the way to do a sous vide steak. Now, even better, I got a giveaway coming up. So watch my Instagram page. I'm going to be giving away one of these. JoChef will send it out to you. They've graciously offered to do a giveaway. But oh my gosh, these steaks are beautiful. And then I'll simply salt them, pepper them. Oh my gosh, can you believe the sear on that? Look at that dark, beautiful sear. That is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so once again, that's the JoChef. It's the refillable butane torch, and this thing is absolutely awesome. Check it out.